Here at Sher Kashmir International Conference Center, this is the venue where the Election Commission currently is holding meeting with the recognized parties of Jammu and Kashmir and national parties. Election Commission today arrived in Jammu and Kashmir in Srinagar, and then they reached this venue, and this is the venue where the meeting is being held with the recognized parties of Jammu and Kashmir, notably the National Conference, PDP, Congress, BJP and CPIM. This meeting is being held to discuss the possibility of holding the elections in September. Remember, the Supreme Court has set September 30 as the deadline for holding up assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has been without an elected assembly for the last 8 years. The last election in Jammu and Kashmir were held in 2014 that brought to power PDP and BJP government. That government collapsed in June 2018. After that, the Jammu and Kashmir came under governor's rule, followed by the president's rule. In 2019, the BJP made the Article 370 move, removed the Article 370 and split Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories. Ever since, a lot of changes have been made, political and administrative, followed by new laws that have been introduced in Jammu and Kashmir. Now the BJP is saying that the problem in Jammu and Kashmir, the turmoil, the trouble, militancy has all been fixed, and Kashmir is now more peaceful than ever before. The regional parties are now saying that if this is true, then why elections are not being held? However, now the BJP also seems to be in a mood, because sources within the BJP told the week that they are now for election in Jammu and Kashmir. Sunil Sethi, who is the chief spokesperson for the BJP, told the week that they want that the election commission should abide by the Supreme Court guidelines on holding up assembly elections.
देखिए, हमने ईसीआई के सामने एक उचित बात रखी कि हम इलेक्शन के लिए तैयार हैं। हम चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पे इलेक्टेड गवर्नमेंट हो। देश के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने भी कमिटमेंट किया कि हम टाइम पे असेंबली इलेक्शन करेंगे, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट की भी डायरेक्शन है, और हमने बिल्कुल इलेक्शन के लिए हम रेडी है। हमने यही बात रखी है, हम तैयार है, हर पार्टी तैयार है। इलेक्टेड सरकार हर कोई चाहता है, बट कुछ सिक्योरिटी के जो इश्यूज है उस पर नजरसानी होनी चाहिए, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वोट बढ़े यहाँ पे। जिस तरह 30 साल के बाद लोकसभा में परसेंटेज बढ़ी है, इसी तरीके से असेंबली में भी वोट परसेंटेज बढ़ना चाहिए।
कांग्रेस लीडर Ghulam Nabi Moga said that they will raise the issue of security with the election commission and holding of elections. He said that the security has been withdrawn from many people in Jammu and Kashmir, including some Congress leaders, so they need security for holding of elections. National Conference is of the same opinion that elections should be held if Lok Sabha polls can be held.
हम लोग इलेक्शन कमीशन को हमने यही कहा कि ये काफी दफा यहाँ आए, काफी दफा हम इनसे मिले। हमने उनसे कहा कि हमेशा यही होना नहीं चाहिए कि हम आए, आपसे मिले, बातचीत की, चाय की प्याली पी तो निकल गए। हमने इनसे काफी मामला पे बातचीत की। एक ये भी बात की कि एक लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड मिलना चाहिए। यहाँ जिस हिसाब से हमारी जाति कोई मतभेद नहीं है, कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है, लेकिन वो बेसिकली एक पॉलिटिकल अपॉइंटी हैं, तो उनके जो फैसला जात हैं हमें वो लगता है कि कहीं बायस ना हो जाए। वी आर होपफुल। इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज assured us that this will now be completed, because they said there were certain things which they had to complete, which they are now totally in place. They said by November, December last year, 23, those reservation issues were complete. The other things had to be done on the election commission basis. They have been completed, and now I don't see any reason for not conducting.
So there is no reason for the BJP, for the central government or for the election commission not to hold assembly polls in Jammu and Kashmir. All eyes are now in this building where the meeting is taking place. After the meeting concludes with the regional parties, the election commission will hold meeting with the security chiefs and as well as the district electoral officers, the deputy commissioners. Tomorrow the meeting is fixed with the deputy director general of police, followed by a review. On 10th of August, the election commission team will fly to Jammu, and there they will hold a review meeting, followed by the press briefing, wherein some important announcements are expected regarding the holding of assembly polls in Jammu and Kashmir.